buying a machine is just the beginning. With Eurospark, you get world-class service and support to match their range of machines by this KMWAY EK Series. So Ryan, this machine is new to the UK market. So how do you make sure a customer is happy with everything they've got before you leave?
So one of the things that we pride ourselves on, we have a bespoke training package to suit our customer needs, whether they're new to wiring or whether they've been running wire machines for 20 plus years. So we've got standard operating procedures, we've got documentation, and we've got how-to videos to make sure that any operator will be happy in using this machine before we leave.
So Ryan, when the machine's on the shop floor, how do you maintain that service and support going forward?
So as with any machine from Eurospark, you get the same level of service and support you've had for the last 30 years of Eurospark. Now we have our own team of in-house OEM trained service engineers and technicians. So whether that's your routine maintenance, your annual servicing or application support, you can be confident that there's always someone to talk to.